What's up guys, it's All Morning Anthony. Welcome back to the Civic vlog that you hopefully know and hopefully love. Because in today's video, we're installing some wheels. Let's go.
Keep celebrating me.
Alright guys, welcome to a very early morning where it's already starting to heat up. The goal for today is to get the tires mounted onto the wheels over here. So again, I'm running the 205/50/15 Nitto Neo-Gens tires and then the 15x7.5 Konig Dekagram wheels that I love so much on the red Civic there. So getting these mounted up today. At this point, we'd be good to go to get them mounted onto the car for a test fit, which I'm really excited for. So here's the white Civic out here, looking absolutely fine. So anyways, looking forward to it. I'm going to head over there. I'm probably not going to film everything because they're fitting me in on a time crunch. And so I'm just going to kind of hang out, be a fly on the wall, and hopefully I'll have some wheels and tires ready to go by this evening. Alright guys, so we got the Dodge Ram loaded up and we're on our way to Discount Tire. Again, it is feeling pretty dang hot outside, but fortunately I got the AC working in this thing probably a week ago, which is the best thing ever. I don't think this truck had AC for like 15 years, and so it finally has it now, and yeah, life-changing. My brake light's still on there. I don't know what to do about that, but anyways, so I'm pretty tired, pretty out of it, but I'm also really excited. So I'm trying to overcome the tiredness right now with excitement, because I can't wait to see what these wheels look like on the white Civic. Go figure, right when I walk through the doors of Discount Tire, like 10 other customers pull up right behind me, and so I told them take his time, don't rush it, and just let me know when the wheels and tires are mounted, and I'll come pick them up. So yeah, we'll be back in a bit.
A few moments later.
Oh, and back home we are. Look at these. Dude, so good. The perfect wheel tire combo, really. At least I think. Nice and light. Alright guys, so I just finished up installing the center caps on the Konig Dekagrams, and they look fan-freaking-tastic. Now, one quick tip I'll leave you with, especially with these center caps on the Konig wheels, is getting the alignment correct. So what I mean by this is that the sticker and the center cap come separated in the box. So you actually have to apply the sticker onto the center cap itself. Now, the best way to do this is to line up your dummy screws here with your actual screws. So your dummy screws are right here and right here. Your actual screws are right here, here, and here. So you want that sticker placement to be right there aligned with those dummy screws, because once you line that up, it's right below the valve stem here, making it perfectly symmetrical. So one quick, kind of OCD thing that I see a lot of people do wrong, and I'm like, dang it, if you just got that sticker alignment right, that wouldn't be a problem. So I did this on all four, got it perfect. These things look freaking awesome. So thought I'd roll a quick cinematic showing you guys just how good these wheels look. Enjoy. Alright guys, so that means there's only one thing left to do, and that's to get these things mounted onto the white Civic. So Jason's on his way over right now to help out with the process and be here for the big reveal, because I think he's just as excited as I am to see these things on the car. Hopefully the fitment's good, hopefully the bronze looks good on the white, and we'll find out soon. Alright guys, so the white Civic's in the garage, ready to go for the wheels and tires. Again, Jason's on his way over, but one thing I remembered that I totally forgot about was that I have a set of OEM rear mudguards that I've been dying to get on the car here. So I thought with the wheels off on the rear, it'd be a good time to install those. I actually don't have an extra set of fronts, so I'll probably have to go to the junkyard to find a set. If not, order an aftermarket set off of eBay. But looking at this car in here, guys, I'm like a proud dad right now. Looking at this thing from where it was just a few weeks ago to where it is right now, I know it doesn't seem that crazy, but you have to understand, once we get these wheels and tires on, I think it's going to completely change the look of this car and really take it to the next level. But I'm looking at my paintwork here on the side skirts and on the moldings and the front bumper and just kind of laughing to myself because I'm like, dang. Rattle canned all of it, and it came out awesome. It really, really did. So I'm just pumped. The new rear bumper, the new used rear bumper on the rear looks great as well. So I'm just super happy. And then even just seeing the front here, even though the hood's not perfectly aligned with the grille like I would like it to be, I mean, that's still not terrible. I'm pretty happy with that. So once we get these wheels and tires on, gosh, I don't know. I might love this car too much, but it's got to go. It's going to go to a new owner that's hopefully going to love it as much as I do. But anyway, Jason's almost here. We're going to get these things installed. Okay, so he had to show off. I was getting all excited working on a Honda Civic here, and he pulls up in his Z06. Nice flex. All right, Jason's here, ready to rock and roll. Get these wheels on the car. You gonna buy it once it's done? $4,000. $4,000? That's not bad. It's more than what I paid for it. So, all right, let's get at it. Alright guys, so we got the car on the ground, and this is exactly what I was hoping for. It looks absolutely awesome. I figured that the bronze on the white would just take it over the top, and it absolutely did. I also got the rear mudguards on there as well, but a small issue is that I think, don't hate me for saying this, I think I might be too low. Jason, a little bit too low? A little bit. Just a little bit. And so I want to show you guys my clearance here. Damn, dude, it looks badass. But yeah, fitment check right there, guys. So rears are gonna have to, I'm gonna have to do something with that. Fronts are absolutely tucking. I mean, I'm on the clip right here on the plastic. So I think that here, maybe in the next couple days, I'm gonna raise it just a little bit. The goal was not to have to roll the fenders if I don't have to, because I didn't have to roll it on the red one for quite some time. But I think if I raise it, I think I'll be fine. Maybe, I don't know, inch and a half in the rear, then maybe on the front, maybe just raise it an inch and then call it good. But dude, I'm pumped. It looks badass. It looks super mean. Probably not in a drivable state as it currently is, but just checking out, it's perfect. Just like I said before, with these wheels having just that slight bit of concavity for a 15 by 7.5 inch wheel, they just look extremely, extremely aggressive. And seeing that slight bit of tire poke there, and on the rear there as well, love it. I absolutely love it. So anyways, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up here for the wheel and tire install. I'm gonna give you guys some leaving shots here in its current low state, so you guys can at least see how good it looks out in the sunlight. As always, if you guys want to see more of this Honda Civic content, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's All Day Anthony. Peace.